the beautiful 2UZ engine. The one downside to it, right under this cover right here, lives the timing belt. 4 bolts here. 2 you can see pretty easily. 2 of them underneath. You can't really see too well. You loosen those 4 bolts up though. Pull this cover back right here. You can see what your timing belt looks like. I'll throw a picture in here of what this one looked like last time I checked, because I'm not going to do it right now. You have to be in front of that. You can't sit around and wait for your timing belt to break and think everything's going to be fine. You just get a new one. Doesn't work that way. You break your timing belt, you're done. Okay? Get it changed.